2003, we started with a small gear shop, and now we have over 100 people working. I really wanted to create jobs in my community because I watched so many jobs leave. It's watching someone come in that has a technical background from school, but not necessarily a working or a practical application, and that we can grow that skill set or grow those trades, and being able to watch people be successful in our community has been what I've enjoyed the most. The business side of the success is we bring back lots of business from other areas that keep our people working. Those companies may not have come to Bluefield to do business, so I'm pretty proud of the fact that we bring a lot of business in from out of state. Back in 2007, we were looking to expand, so the building here came available. The very first loan that I did with the West Virginia Economic Development Authority was to purchase the real estate in the building. Obviously, we had to buy many pieces of equipment, and so they were there at every turn. Working with my loan officer, we could put those packages together that made sense, and they could see the return on investment, and they could see the job growth, going from 5 jobs to 100 jobs. And I've got to say that the Economic Development Authority played a huge part in financing and allowing me to do that. The state is excited about creating jobs, and they have a war chest of money that they can loan to business owners today that will help them grow their business to create more jobs. Banks don't always have the same motive, and the Economic Development Authority is looking to create jobs. They still require you to do good business and make good business decisions. They can be there in a way that a bank can't always be there. And there's also a lot of networking that they provide because they work with so many different people. They've actually introduced me to other folks that makes West Virginia stronger as a manufacturer. We had a local plant that closed and 125 men lost their job. The next morning we had 75 guys show up here. We were able to hire 44. We really didn't want to see them move to another state or another town. We wanted to keep them local. We didn't really have the work at the time, but we had just completed a package with the EDA with some new machines, and so we did have equipment for them to work on, and we were able to secure more work. So now we're over 100 employees. The EDA has been a big part of that, just being there when we need them to pick up a new piece of equipment or to be able to expand.